Hello, today we're going to learn the numbers from 1 to 10 in Ga in less than 30 seconds. Start the clock. Let's go. 1. Ekome. Ekome. 2. Enyo. Enyo. 3. Eten. Eten. 4. Edre. Edre. 5. Inumo. Inumo. 6. Ikba. Ikba. 7. Bawo. Bawo. 8. Banyo. Banyo. 9. Nehu. Nehu. 10. Nyoma. Nyoma. Now let's practice together. Are you ready? I say it in English and you say it in Ga. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. Great. 2. Wonderful. 3. Perfect. 4. Fantastic. 5. Brilliant. 6. Wow, magnificent. 7. Beautiful. 8. You're doing really well. 9. Keep it up. 10. Wow, congratulations for learning Ga with me today. You deserve a thumbs up, and I certainly do too. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you like this video, please hit the like button or leave a comment and let me know. And please share the fun of learning Ga and share the knowledge. And please remember to subscribe for more such great videos. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. YIBŁI LÆ. Please remember to subscribe for more. Subscribe. Thank you.